Understanding trade-offs in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, trade-offs. It's a term you might come across in many discussions, especially when talking about decisions and choices. Let's explore its meaning and usage. The term trade-offs refers to a situation where, in order to gain something, you must give up something else. It's all about balance and compromise. Imagine you have two things you want, but you can't have both. If you choose one, you lose the other. That's a trade-off. For example, if you decide to stay up late to watch a movie, the trade-off might be that you'll feel tired the next day. Here, the benefit is watching the movie, but the cost is losing sleep. To better grasp the concept, let's look at a few more examples. 1. Time versus money. If you decide to take a part-time job, you might earn extra money, but you'll have less free time. The trade-off is between earning money and having free time. 2. Quality versus price. When shopping, you might find a high-quality product that is expensive and a lower-quality one that is cheaper. The trade-off here is deciding whether to pay more for better quality or save money with a lesser quality item. 3. Health versus taste. Sometimes, tasty foods are not the healthiest. If you choose to eat a delicious dessert, the trade-off might be consuming more calories or sugar. Now, let's see how you can use trade-offs in sentences. 1. When choosing a place to live, there are always trade-offs between convenience and cost. 2. She's considering the trade-offs between studying more and getting enough sleep. 3. In business, managers often have to weigh the trade-offs of different strategies. There you have it. Trade-offs is all about the choices we make and the things we might have to give up in the process. It's a reflection of the decisions we face daily, where benefits and costs come into play. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this term for you. Remember, life is full of trade-offs, but understanding them can help us make better choices. Happy learning!